I'm gonna show you how to make pan de muerto, my way.
In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of active dried yeast, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and 1/3 of a cup of warm whole milk. Cover it with plastic and let it rest until it bubbles and doubles the size. Then in a bigger bowl, mix 3 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of white sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground star anise, 1 tablespoon of orange zest, 1 stick of butter, soft, 1 tablespoon of canola oil, 3 eggs at room temperature. You can do this in the mixer, but I'm doing it by hand. Then you add the mixture with the yeast. You're gonna add about a half cup of flour extra. Just add little by little. You might not need all of it, or maybe you need more. Make sure you mix it until it's not sticky. Then put some flour in the bowl, leave the dough and cover it with plastic, and let it proof for about an hour 30 minutes. And make sure the temperature in the room is warm. Then pull the dough and cut it in 2 equal parts. And then from each part, cut 1/4 of the dough and set aside. With the 3/4, form a little ball and then press. Spread the Nutella in the middle and then fold and seal it, forming a ball. Then with the 1/4 of the dough, roll it with 3 fingers, like this. Grab a little bit to form a little ball. With your finger, put a little bit of water to glue the dough on top, like this. Same with the other one, and on top, the little ball. Put it in a sheet pan with parchment paper, then put some pen spray on top and cover it with plastic. This is gonna take a little longer and it's gonna proof in about 3 hours. Bake it at 375 for 25 minutes. Then let it cool down a little bit and brush it with melted butter. Then just coat it in white sugar and done.
This is really good and full of tradition.